Wang Vieng Farm was established on 10th April 2021 at Wang Mieng Village, Wang Vieng District, Vientiane Province. The person who founded this project is Mrs. Na Pai and her family. The total area is 1 hectare. It is an area with suitable climate for growing gourd. Which is aims primarily to recharge or demonstrate various agricultural techniques for local farmers to enhance their productivity. And for visitors to gain knowledge on horticulture using good agricultural practice and organic agriculture techniques. In Wang Vieng Farm, they also planted gourd, which gourd has 21 kilograms, some local growing up to 25 kilograms. Which is a variety that originated from Japan and is a special variety that can be processed into noodles. And it is the second most eaten food in Japan. In the process of growing gourd, they have to soak the seeds in warm waters for 3 nights. After that, they boil the seeds to the sealing trays. They will be watered in the morning, afternoon, and evening. For 15-20 days, it will be able to put its down to plant on the prepared gourd. When seedlings are planted in the ground for 55 days or 2 months, we can correct it. In the processing of gourd into noodles, they will take them to the noodle machine. They take noodles to dry in the sun. It will take about 2 days. When it's done, we bring the noodle to grate. And the next way is for exporting of noodles products. There are 3 countries that we export to: example Thailand, Japan, and Cambodia. Next, advantages in Wang Vieng Farms. There is a beautiful natural scenery, quite peaceful. Specifically, gourd is large and can be processed into products, and can also increase the professions of the people. And we have disadvantages. Getting to Wang Vieng Farms is quite far and narrow. Big car cannot reach that spray. For our feeling in this study tour to Wang Vieng Farm, we are very funny to learn new things from growing gourd and processing it. Wang Vieng Farm is not only a place to provide agricultural knowledge, but it is also a place to make money for people around area.
Play.